Hi, you guys. So today I'll be doing an Amazon hair review. I'm not even going to try to say the name, but the link will be in the description box. All the details on this wig. Um, it just came in a plastic Ziploc bag and then in another pink bag. It's very pretty. It looks waterproof, very durable. So let's go ahead and take it out. It came with one headband. Oh, it came with two, and they're very like different looking, but still very cute. It also came with something that you could win either for these items: a bob wig, a mask, and other things um, if you email them. And then this is the density and the length, which it was 12 inches and it was 150 density. And this Velcro was no joke. I was struggling a little bit, but yes. So here's the inside with 3 combs in the front and 1 in the back. And I already have a wig cap from my previous headband wig I saw. If you want to go check that video out, it was the one right after this one. I'll probably put it in the e-card above. And so this wig was not very small, but it's little head friendly. That's how I would put it. I don't know if I put too many, if I put too few cornrows in my hair, because my cornrows were kind of chunky. I didn't want to do small cornrows in my hair. But yeah, my head was too big for this little wig. I should have loosened up the Velcro or whatever. But it does have combs, 3 combs in the front, so just make sure you use those. I didn't use it at this time, and yeah, I was looking at the wig kind of crazy because straight out the pack it was not giving what it's supposed to give. Like, it just wasn't. So I ran my fingers through it, trying to play with it a little bit. The cut was real cute, but I just wasn't used to it on me. So let's get into it. Spraying water all on my hair, getting it real saturated. Yeah, the look on my face is like, girl, what in the world? So now I'm getting my Lotta Body mousse. This is the best mousse to use, or the Nairobi, but the Nairobi is kind of expensive. But yeah, it doesn't have any alcohol in it. It's not drying to the hair. This is 100% human hair, so it's not drying. And you can use it on your edges, like when you're doing like a lace front. It won't lift your edges because it doesn't have any alcohol in it. So now I'm just taking my little knockoff Tangle Teaser and just coming through the curls and scrunching them up. Like I mentioned, this is 150% density. It is very thick, very full. So I'm just getting full coverage all over my head with the mousse. And you can spray more water so you don't have to use more product. So now let's put on these headbands. I was kind of confused to what this was and how I put it on. But I saw the opening and I realized what kind of, headband it was. You can also use this type headband as like a mask. But yeah, my head, I don't know. It's just small. Everything was just small. So this is a little head friendly wig. But it was on snug, but not to the point where it gave me a headache. So it was very secure. It was tight to my head, so it wasn't going anywhere. And you can also put a hot comb to where my hair is sticking up in the middle to flatten it out. But I was tired. It was 2 a.m. I was ready to go to sleep. But yeah. So here's the hair. I just flipped it over. You can also do a half up, half down hairstyle. You can do a bun or anything with this hair. I'll have more pictures of different styles on my Instagram at tattooedcurls_. And so I've played around with this enough. I'm gonna move on to the next headband. This one was my favorite. I thought it would open up into like a larger headband, but that was it, sis. And so I tried to see if it would cover the black band, but the black band on the wig, you can fold it in or whatever. So this is also a look. It's very cute and very girly. So if y'all like this headband wig, the link will be in the description box. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Give me some feedback. And this wig also kind of gets dry faster. I don't know if it's just because I just use mousse or what, but you might have to carry a little bottle of water with you, you feel me, and refresh your hair throughout the day. Because I don't like poofy curls. I like my curls to be defined. But in my last headband wig video, I showed you some other products you can use on curly hair that will get it to stay. Because sometimes the mousse don't be doing it. Sometimes the curls will revert quickly when you just use mousse. So this is 100% human hair. You can also use the products that you use on your regular hair to do like a regular wash and go. You can use that to keep the curls intact for longer. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. I have lots and lots of reviews to do, so just stay tuned and turn on your post notification bell button, whatever, and you know, support the cause. All right, y'all, talk to you later. Peace.